Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Edikaikong soup. First, gather your fresh ingredients, including 1 kilogram of assorted meats, 200 grams of fresh water leaf, and 150 grams of fluted pumpkin leaves. Also, have ready 250 milliliters of palm oil, 1 cup of periwinkles, 50 grams of stockfish, and 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish. Ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go for a smooth cooking process. Begin by boiling your assorted meats with onions, salt, and seasoning cubes until they are tender. Once cooked, separate the meat from the stock and set both aside. Next, heat about 250 milliliters of palm oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish to the hot oil, stirring for about 1 minute. Then, incorporate the stockfish and periwinkles, letting them simmer gently to infuse their flavors into the oil. Now, add the fresh water leaf to the pot, stirring it in thoroughly. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the water leaf has wilted down significantly. Next, introduce the fluted pumpkin leaves and the previously cooked assorted meats into the pot. Mix everything well, ensuring the vegetables are evenly distributed. Allow the soup to simmer for just a few more minutes, then taste and adjust any seasoning to your preference before serving. Your delicious Edikaikong soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with your favorite swallow, such as fufu, pounded yam, or gari. This rich and nutritious soup is packed with vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy and satisfying meal for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.